Hello students and aspirants. In the rule number 17, the two subjects connected with as well as, together with, and not, with, along with, in addition to. Then the verb agrees with the first subject. The verb agrees with the first subject. Again I will tell you, when the subject connected with, as well as, together with, and not, with, along with, in addition to, then the verb agrees with the first subject. See this example. Ram as well as his friends is going to the party. Here as well as connected Ram and his friends. So the verb agrees with the first subject. Ram, that is Ram. So the verb is singular. Ram as well as his friends is going to the party. Is the verb agrees with the first subject. First subject Ram. See the next example. Tea together with coffee is sold everywhere. Tea together with coffee. Here together with connected both tea and coffee. The verb agrees with the first subject. Tea. Tea is singular. So here we put is. Is. Tea together with coffee is sold everywhere. See the next example. He and not his friends is found guilty. He and his friends connected by and not. So the verb agrees with the first subject, he. So singular verb will be followed after his friends. Here the verb agrees with the first subject. Why here we put singular verb? Because when the two subjects connected by and not, so the verb agrees with the first subject. The subject is he, singular. So we put verb also singular, is. Students, I just recap this rule. As well as, together with, and not, with, along with, in addition to. These words are agrees with the first subject. In the next video, I will teaching you the next rule. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.